Welcome to Fourth Hour Science. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. I hope the assignment with the glyphs was not difficult. Does your plant need water today? Did you look at the moon last night? It looked like an oblong egg. Not that eggs aren't kind of oblong anyways, but the moon looked pretty oblong. It's getting pretty big. It's close to being a full moon. Okay, so today's assignment is going to be about living things. It is this page right here. We have 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the top section asks you to circle the things that are alive. But before you decide, think about the things that show us that something is alive. Things that are alive, they change. When we grow, we often change. Something that is not alive does not change. It stays the same. In order to live, we need to eat and drink. Things that are not alive do not eat nor drink. Living things grow, like us. Things that are not alive do not grow. So before you circle items that are alive, ask yourself the 3 questions. Does it change? Does it eat or drink? And does it grow? If you answer to any of those questions, if your answer is no, then it is not alive. Okay, I wanted to kind of talk about some of the pictures here. Here we have a plant. We have a rainbow. We have a baby. We have a shovel. We have a whale, a horse, a dragonfly, a kite, looks like a pile of dirt, a car, that looks like a school building to me, a flower, a grasshopper, a watering can, a fish, a cow, a bicycle, and an electronic gadget. Not sure if it's a phone or a game system. Okay, I just wanted to share those words. Make sure that we all understood the pictures the same. So in the next section is this one right here. And it asks you to number the squares in order. The first thing that the girl does will be number 1. The last thing that she does will be number 4. So as we look at the pictures, and knowing what we know about planting plants, it looks to me like the first thing she will need to do is to dig a hole. Then she can plant her tree in the dirt and pat the soil down and make sure that her tree is straight, because if it isn't straight, that is the direction it is going to grow. So she makes sure it is standing straight and it is planted. She is happy. Then her tree has grown a lot. Okay, so that would conclude that one. The bottom section is about protecting our earth. And what can you and your family do to help protect the earth? Check all that apply. That's this bottom section here. So the options are drive less, bike more, turn off lights when leaving a room, water plants with rainwater, plant a vegetable garden, dry clothes outside, enjoy nature. Eat less meat and recycle. See that symbol right there? That's your recycle symbol. You will actually be able to see it on many items that are recyclable. Also, there is usually a number, and I didn't know this until recently because I recycle plastic. And they quit taking anything under a number 3. When you start recognizing the feel of the different plastics, you understand why. So we can no longer put the water bottles in there, but we can put the 2-liter bottles, milk jugs, juice jugs. So again, there is that symbol, and there is often a number, not always. Okay, so in that section, have your parent help you. What are the things that you can do to protect our earth? Okay, so then the next assignment is on the back side. We will not do this map section right here. However, we will do this here. I drew my tree. So, like I said, we will only do that side. We will look at the growth chart here. Do you see how much it grew year 1? 2 foot or 2 feet. Okay, the second year it grew 2 more feet, then 3, then 4. I'm actually reading the wrong side. Oops. So the first year it grew 2 feet, second year 2 feet, year 3, 3 feet, year 4, 4 feet, year 5 it grew 1 foot, year 6 it grew 3 foot, and year 7 it grew 5 feet. So what you are going to do is you are going to add up all of those numbers. I kind of did it on my paper. And so, for example, year 1, the tree grew 2 feet, as it did the next year. So 2 plus 2 is now 4 feet tall. That's the first and second year. So the next year, it grew 3 more feet. Well, we already know we have 4, so we're going to add 3 more feet to that to give us 7. Year 4, it grew 4 more feet. Now we're at 11 feet. Year 5, it grew 1 foot, so I will add 1 foot, and now I have 12 feet. Year 6, it grew 3 feet, so I'm going to add 3 to 12 to get 15. And year 7, it grew 5 feet. So if I had 15 feet already, and I add 5 feet more, I'm going to have 20 feet. So our tree is now 20 foot tall. Write in your answer on the line, how tall is a tree? Now you will draw a tree. If you look at this chart right here, that's how many feet. So if our tree was 20 foot tall, 20 is right here. That is how tall I drew my tree. If you're good at math, you can just add up all the numbers to find out how tall your tree is. This concludes our lesson for today. I hope you have a good day. I miss you guys. Sure wish we could have brain breaks with Lego time or the balls. I do. I miss you. Have a good day. We'll see you guys tomorrow.